Here's an interesting trending app called Cara by Artists for Artists, Social and Portfolio. This is the app. It's a social networking and portfolio platform for artists by artists. Connect with peers and followers, share your work, and find industry jobs from AAA and award-winning studios. Tired of AI-generated content? Our AI detector automatically filters out AI images from user portfolios. Explore our community to discover new art and discussions. So share images, GIFs, and embed videos and Sketchfab links, AI image detector, customize what shows on your home feed, glaze integration to protect your images from style mimicry, keep track of people you meet at events with QR meets, job listing from AI and award-winning studios, direct messages. So yeah, this is kind of mobile app slash portfolio for design professionals. Um, and then, all right, so it seems it's a bit buggy, but at least you can try to create your account here. Or you can try to sign up. Let's try to sign up from here. And then, okay, this works. So then you can see your display name, username, bio, default view on your profile, portfolio, uh, invite code optional. And then basically that's just what you have. And then tap save. And then there you have it. And then that's how you join it out. Recommend you use home feed settings to customize what shows in your profile, check out and explore new art, follow people you know, and there you have it. So it's kind of like Twitter, Instagram, but just, to showcase your work. So that's just what it is here. And then you can tap plus button and create your portfolio, and then just write something here. And then here's your post. So yep, that's basically the idea. Then you have direct messages, notifications. It's kind of like Twitter, but just for graphics and portfolios. I guess it's like also just for animes. So that's just what you have here. So yep, there you have it.